So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Leo, the person that okay, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Leo, let's see what's happening. We have the strength card. This is your card only, Leo. So this is somebody who's thinking about you a lot, but they're feeling blocked by you in some way, right? This person is feeling like a lot of resistance from your side, a lot of blockages from your side. Let me clarify the strength card. We have the moon card, the wheel of fortune, the two of cups. Yeah, this person is scared that they lost this connection for the forever this time. This person is scared that this connection between you and them is never going to be the same again, and they lost you for good this time, right? Now they are feeling a lot of resistance, a lot of this energy of you not wanting them anymore, kind of a deal from your side. Okay, but they dream about you. They still have this fantasizing about you kind of energy. Yeah, they know they lost you, but at the same time they can't stop fantasizing, they can't stop daydreaming about the situation between you and them. They're quite sure that at some point of time you guys are going to meet again in this lifetime, even if it is going to be after 10 years, who knows. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side. Two of cups. Okay, I do see you being in love with someone but not showing it to them. You are being very practical, you are being very logical. Even though you love this person or you have a lot of emotions for them, I think you're just keeping it to yourself. You're like, no, don't show it to them, no ways. Okay, let me clarify the two of cups as your feelings for this particular person or energy from your side. We have the five of wands, the king of cups, the five of cups. You feel like whenever you react or whenever you express your feelings to this person, this always turns into a disappointment. This always turns into some kind of drama or fight or issue. So it's better to keep it to yourself. Okay, so you do love this person, you do have emotions for somebody, but whenever you think about telling it to them, or whenever you think about expressing your feelings to them, you feel like this is going to turn into some kind of disaster. So it's better to keep it to yourself. This is what you're feeling, right? So you're being very practical, very logical, very cutthroat here. Actually, even if this person is coming towards you, you're showing them that you don't care about them, but you do. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? The world. This person wants to have a completion of a cycle between you and them. I don't know what kind of a completion. There's some kind of unfinished business between you guys that they want to finish in order to have a new chapter opening up in this direction. Let me clarify the world card. Sorry guys, I am not able to do reading for this particular month. I am going through a lot of challenges and obstacles to keep this reading thing going, but I am going to do that now. Yeah, now this person is waiting for the time when you guys will be able to resolve your issues, resolve the conflict, the end of this bad chapter between you guys, and you guys are going to make it work out. This person wants to make this work out between you and them by closing a cycle that's unpleasant, that's weighing the situation down, that's giving you guys this energy of this is too burdensome, this is too heavy to deal with, the kind of a deal between you and them. So they definitely want to close one chapter of one cycle in this situation where both of you are feeling this is never going to work out, and start a chapter where both of you are going to be on the same page and make that work out, putting in the effort and energy equally in the situation to make it work out. So somebody wants to make this work out. They're too much heartbroken, they're too much in pain because You left the situation. You're not giving it a fair shot of chance. According to them, you're not giving them another shot, another chance, and it's unfair because there's love in the situation from both the sides. Okay. And I can also feel it, like there's love from both the sides, but because of the obstacles, the challenges, the somebody letting somebody down here, they are not giving another shot to the situation, and it's kind of bringing a lot of pain. You just want to move forward, Leo. You just want to wait and watch. You are one foot in, one foot out of the situation, but you just want to energetically stand still and keep moving forward. Physically, keep moving forward, keeping moving forward, and energetically standing still and just watching and waiting and watching. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Wands. We have the Tower, the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're in this energy of I have gone through so much, Anjali. I just want to stabilize my own energies. I just want to keep myself grounded, and I just want to keep myself in mature and understanding kind of energies, and I want to explore multiple ways to keep myself grounded. Okay. You want to explore multiple things, multiple ways, multiple choices in order to keep yourself in the real world. You just don't want to go in the dreamland or fantasy world. You just want to remain in the real world and stay grounded and stay focused on your goals of money, job, career, I guess. And you just want to drop everything and everyone that's not making you feel stable, making you feel grounded, hmm? or keeping you away from the real world in any way. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation between you and this particular energy or the situation? We have the Five of Pentacles. I do see a sense of feeling like lost in the situation. I do a sense of feeling unhappy. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles here. I do see love from both the sides, but I do see resistance, very heavy resistance. Okay, someone is going to show up with mixed energies, mixed signals, like I am here, I'm not here, I'm here, I am not here. And one of you is going to respond with the situation like I don't care. If you're here, I don't care. If you're not here, I don't care. So that is going to bring a lot of pain, at least for one of you. Both of you are going to suffer in your individual ways, but one of you is going to definitely feel like, oh my God, this is something that I cannot deal with anymore, but it is so painful to even let go of completely. So it's like the outcome here is somebody giving you mixed kind of energies. I'm here, I'm not here, I'm here, I'm not here. And you responding to it as like, I don't care and leave me alone. And you're doing your own thing, keeping yourself busy as much as you can by traveling, by distracting yourself, by doing things that you really wanted to do from a very long time. Now you're getting the time and I think energy to do that. So it's like that. Let's clarify okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. Four of Wands, Nine of Swords, Three of Cups. Do not suppress your energies. Do not suppress your pain with this energy of distracting yourself with things that are not making you happy from inside out. So, okay, what I'm getting here, honey, is that even if you are feeling like you are doing the right thing by distracting yourself with multiple things, multiple people, multiple situation, you're not doing the right thing here. You are just suppressing your emotions, suppressing your energy, suppressing your pain, and it's kind of going to backfire at some point of time if you're not going to release it properly and heal it properly. Okay, so whenever there's pain in our life for whatever reason, when we try to suppress it with something else or replace it with something else or someone else, for the fact, it always backfires, because the pain needs to be released completely, healed completely, in order to move to the next chapter with peace. Okay, so making peace with whatever is going on is very, very important, rather than suppressing it or trying to make yourself look like you are very happy and you're doing really good in your life while you're crying from inside. That doesn't make any sense, honey. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.